how to play with it or how to, turn it on.
Yeah, it has more than 200 pieces.
How do you move it?
And it took me 4 days to finish it. 4 days.
How many days?
4 days.
Can you turn it on? Oh, there you go. We had to turn the robot on.
Wait, let's see how this robot is done. These 3 robots are actually mine. Let's see how strong this is. I made this project. I made this project about
Look here and speak loudly.
I made this project with the 4 large units of these, and then I mixed the certain yes, that's what it's called. Then in these units, I made these small serpentine units. 4 of these made this, and 4 of these to make this whole project. And
How many days?
and then
How many days? You work? 2 days. Okay.
and then these small units, they were smaller units that were the first ones to be made. And these
Sure. So back here, these are pencil toppers that the students 3D designed on Tinkercad, and then we printed using our new 3D printers. And then these characters, they got to have a little bit more ownership and originality. So they all designed their own character, and they got to add little accessories, and then we printed them, and they came out pretty cool. And that's 4th grade. And then over here, 5th grade did time capsules. So they studied toys of the past decades. And then they 3D designed their own versions of them. And then right here, this is also 5th grade. So another thing that they 3D designed was an air pollution solution, or different pollution solutions. And then they also built robots in quarter 1. So these are all of their design. And they have different attachments that can do amazing things. And then over here, my 5th graders, my GT 5th graders, they coded using Hummingbird microbit kits, and they designed a robot zoo. So they got to build an animal, design it, create it, build it, and then add different coding aspects. So you'll see like this one lights up for a little eye. And they can spin like this, so different attachments, pretty cool. And we have other zoo animals. I particularly like this spider. His head rotates also. And this owl, her wings spin. Pretty cool.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sings and his eyes glow reddish red. And let me try to like. Families. This I made a project in STEM. It's about fan that used for solar system. All I had to do is just use some cardboard, X pieces, propellers, and a motor so it could charge. And of course, we need solar system to charge. And as you can see here, it's working perfectly with all the things on it. Yeah.
Here is our second grade seed dispersal machine. They did amazing job. They learned a lot of things about the seeds and pollination, and then they bring the final work in here. These are our Mars cylinder and then second grade GT work. We can move this area. This is animal adaptation. My first graders learn about Amazon rainforest, African, Arctic and Sahara deserts, and then they made amazing shoes, and then their project is here, how they are gonna live in them. These are simple machine with my second graders, and then we continue animal adaptations area, and this is an amazing machine catwalk. You can talk easily with someone, and then vibration gonna help you. Okay. Here is our crane microbit project. These are amazing work. They made coding and then they built their device. Also, this one is an earthquake simulator project, and then they learn about many things about earthquake, and students create an earthquake simulator and tested their tower. It's gonna be fall or not, like that. These are front boat microbit projects, and then these are microbit project. They built a robot, they decorated, they put coding on the microbit, and then this one is amazing work. It took maybe 2 or 3 weeks for them, second grade's work. These are harnessing wind project. It's so funny lesson. We try our device in the wind. And then this one is catapult, double catapult. You can put your ball here, and then your ball gonna fly. These are our truss bridge in here, and then amazing work, roller coaster. Second graders. Also we have Vex robots also. they learn about the wax and coding everything. They're getting fun and then learning amazing.